morning, my dear friends. I'm happy to be standing here today as the president of this swimming club. Thank you everyone so much for believing in me. Let me share with you how my journey started in this swimming club. I joined this club since 2019. I love swimming and I wanted a platform to be able to improve my skills. These past 2 years, I not only improved my skills, I met great friends who helped me a lot in this journey. Friends, I'd like to thank my mentor, Mr. Anchor, for teaching me about 4 major styles of swimming, such as front crawl, breaststroke, backstroke, and butterfly. I would like to thank my teammates for their encouragement. Without their encouragement, I would not be winning the gold medal in National Swimming Games in year 2020. I would also like to thank my parents for supporting me. Without them, I would not be able to go this far. My parents supported me mentally and financially. They sent me to swimming classes every week without fail. They taught me the spirit of never giving up and never stop trying. Winners never quit and quitters never win. For new members, our swimming club has a lot of benefits, such as number 1, free swimming lessons from professional coach. Number 2, 10% discount on swimwear and swimming gears when you purchase at Air Shopping. Just show your membership ID will do. Number 3, swimming competitions which we can join. I'll be serving for 1 year as a president of this swimming club. I would like to make an impact to all my fellow members. These are the few things in my plan which I will carry out. Number 1, hire a professional coach to teach swimming lessons. Number 2, get sponsorship for our swimming club to organize swimming competitions. Number 3, refurbish our swimming pool and purchase more pool safety equipment. I will not be able to do this myself. That is why I need all of you. Teamwork makes the dream work. I'll serve with all my heart and I'll do my very best for this swimming club. Thank you.